N. What is that? I. That says 1. That says 2. It's S. Kind of looks like an orange, but it's a sun. Orange? Okay, it's an orange. That's 0. Oh, you're right. That is Z. Show me. Let me see. Z. Juliana, what happened at school today? What kind of stuff did you do? Did you play with Maya? Maya cried. What about Taya? Taya cried?
Yeah. All cried.
They all cried? What about Joshua? Did he cry?
Yeah.
Juliana, what did they do to your hair?
Her.
Yeah? What did they do to your hair?
Say it as you play it and repeat 2 times.
Huh? What did your teachers do to your hair?
Meow, meow.
You see a meow, meow.